Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I put together my top knot bun. Enjoy it. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to start with the hair, because really you can't do anything if your hair is not set. So when I go to bed at night, I usually like to tie my hair like in a bun. I don't like doing amagoda because then in the morning I have to undo those, and sometimes my hair is like painful if I haven't been to the salon in like a really long time and stuff. So I just like to tie it in a bun. Well, my younger sister taught me this trick. You just tie your hair in a top knot bun, and when you wake up in the morning it's not gonna be like shrinkage, guys, won't be that much. So basically that's just it. But the trick is you have to like comb your hair the following morning, because if you don't, then I'm sorry. So we're just gonna comb this out with an afro comb. As you can see, I do have like a lot of hair, so it's like good to maintain your hair like all the time, because then it doesn't break a lot and stuff, especially like during like cold seasons, and right now it's like very windy and cold and whatever. So when I'm done with that, so when I'm done combing it out, I am going to grab this leave-in conditioning repair cream. It's a sheer butter. This is a famous brand that I've seen a whole lot of people use, and my sister actually got this. So I tried using it like a few times before, and it's actually really good. So I just take a generous amount and I start like lightly just brushing that like through my hair, like not a lot, because then you don't want your hair to be like wet, and you know, because when it gets wet it does shrink. So you just generously apply just to the roots especially, and this smells like amazing. It smells really good. It leaves your hair feeling like really soft. Apparently it helps, let's see what it does. Apparently it helps mend hair breakage, helps protect against split ends, and reduces frizz, hydrates and moisturizes with shea butter and natural oils. So this is a good one, and it really does do the trick. It's like better than applying, what is it called, moisturizing cream. So it's kind of like a mashup between moisturizing cream and hair food. I love hair food, but sometimes hair food is just like extremely oily, you know, and sometimes that's not what I want, especially with like natural hair. So once you done applying that, like generously just rub it on your scalp. Yeah, it feels so soft, so bouncy. And then again, okay, now I'm gonna grab this brush. It's like a good split end brush, and I'm just gonna run that through my hair in like upwards motion. Okay, so the reason why you're doing that is to just make sure that you don't have like any knots in your roots and stuff. So this is one of my favorite brushes. I use this for my weave. It is, guys, I've had this for years, and I actually stole it from my mom, but you know, it's mine now. I've had it for years, and it's like the best brush ever for like any kind of hair. It just makes your hair like, it gives you like extra length. It makes like, it lays your hair down like in place. It's perfect for like straight weaves and stuff. You can find like a replica like this at like Pick n Pay, Clicks, but I must say one of the closest replicas I've had to this is the one that you get from Pep. It's black and it's also amazing. Those are the ones that we used to use when we were kids. My mom used to buy us those like all the time because we'd lose them, but it's really good. So now that I'm done with this, I am going to grab a scrunchie and I'm just going to tie my hair. If you see me looking to the side, please excuse me. I'm using the monitor as my mirror, and I'm just going to, not like, you know when you tie your hair and like you tie your hair three times for example, and then you leave it like poofy. I'm not gonna leave it poofy. I'm just gonna bring it in. So I hope you can see this, but I just, you know, ngikoqile ngayifanga phakathi so that inwele zingaphumi zonke ngenze igota elikanje. I don't know how to say that in English, guys. Like, it is what it is. It's not my first or my mother tongue, but we move. Okay, next I'm going to grab this human hair. This is just braiding hair that you buy from anywhere, basically. China shops, Clicks I think has these, ShopRite, anyway basically. And what I did is I just sectioned off a portion from like the bundle, because when it comes in like a huge bundle, and then I just sectioned off just the amount that I'm going to need. It's like pretty long. It's good length for me. I don't need a lot. And then what I did is I took the scrunchie. Guys, I really have to show you this trick. I'm sure you know how to do this most. So you take the scrunchie, you put it underneath the hair like this, and then you take one half, you put it through the other half, and then you pull. It's that simple. So when you're done doing this, then you're gonna grab the half that's now free, and you're gonna wrap it or tie that bun again. So I'm gonna do this 2 times because I don't like to like tie my hair like tightly, because then it gives me like migraines and stuff, and that's not okay. But if you like are going somewhere, obviously you want to make sure that it's like really tight, but I'm not going anywhere. I'm gonna remove this when I'm done, so why? Then I'm gonna start like, what is it called? Guys, I'm just gonna swirl it around like this, and then I'm going to start this way, and I'm just going to wrap that around the bun until I reach like the desired look. So when you wrap it around, you want to make sure that the part that you're wrapping around goes to the bottom and not the top part, because then it kind of sort of pushes itself up. The more you go around, the more it pushes itself up, so the poofier it gets basically. You wrap this around. So if you have a bobby pin, this is when you will take this part and you stick it through. But for me, because I'm not really going anywhere, I'm just gonna take this and shove it underneath and just secure it. And there you go. Now you have a cute everyday top knot bun if you're in a hurry for work, or if you just want to get out of the door and stuff. So later on I'm going to finish this off with like edge control, or should I just do that now, because I am about to film a makeup tutorial for you guys, so maybe I should just do that now. So I'm gonna grab this Perfect Touch Wet Look Gel, and I'm going to use a brush and a mirror. I'm going to need a mirror for this part. I'm going to use this brush and I'm just going to dip it into the gel, so bit by bit, section by section, until you reach like the desired look. So I start off in small portions because, like, to be honest guys, like, I'm not the best when it comes to edges, but I just do what I can to get out of the door. So okay. And there you go. This is the final top knot band. If you enjoyed this look, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell down below, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.